I've got a question with me right here. This question came in 2024 GCE. So to answer this question, all what you need to do is to use the idea of finding a common ratio. Okay. So you can see the way terms are, start with the middle term, divide by the first term, equal to the last term, divide by the second term. And this is what I'm talking about. It will be 3w plus a 6 over 3w minus a 2 is equal to 3w plus 30 over 3w plus a 6. Okay, so solve this equation by simply cross multiplying. So this will be a 3w plus 6 times 3w plus a 6 is equal to 3w plus 30, 3w minus a 2. So these two are giving us 9w squared. Here we're getting 18w. Here we're getting 18w plus a 36, which is equal to, here it's 9w squared. These two are getting a 6w minus 6w. And then here we're getting a plus 90w, these two. And lastly, minus a 60. So this is what we're getting when we cross multiply. So these two, when we group the like terms, you can see these two, they are similar. So when you group the like terms, they will cancel out. So we shall remain with a 48w plus 36 is equal to this and this. We're remaining with what? We're remaining with 84w minus 60. Okay, I hope you're following. So we shall group the like terms. 48w minus 80, is it 36? This is 36, I think. Here it's 36. 36. And this also is 36. And then here we have got 84w, which is equal to this and this will give us, it will give us a 96, minus 96. When 36 comes this side, it will be minus 60 minus 36, which will give us a minus 96. When we work out here, we're getting a 48 minus 48w, which is equal to here minus 96. Divide by minus 48 minus 48. These two go, the value of w will be equal to 2. When we divide like that, it will give us a 2. So that's how you get to find the value of w. Let's check out for question 2 where we need to find the nth term. For question number 2 to be answered for the nth term, this nth term, we're going to say nth term. This is question number 2. You first need to identify the GP, okay? So here, where there's w, you put a 2. So it will be 3 times 2, it's 6. 6 minus 2, it will give us a 4. Even here, 6 plus 6, it will give us a 12. Here, it will give us what? A 36. So this is the GP that we are dealing with. So once we get to find this GP, we can easily find the nth term. We're going to say nth term to be found, we're going to use the formula. Nth is equal to ARN minus 1. So nth is equal to a 4. Our first term, A, is a 4. And then our R is a 3. Just get 12 divided by 4. It will give us a 3. Or 36 divided by a 12. It will still give us what? A 3. N minus 1. So this is our nth term or nth formula. We go to the last question. We need to find the sum. So for the sum of the first 4 terms, so that sum is equal to A, open bracket, R power n minus 1 over R minus a 1. Our A, that's the first term, it was a 4. Our R is a 3. Power here, it's power 4 because we're finding the fourth, or the sum of the first 4 terms. Minus 1. R here is a 3 minus 1. So that's a 4. Here it's 81 minus 1 over a 2. You can simplify this. Will go this, it's a 2. So 2 here, it will give us 80. That's because 81 minus 1 will give us 80. You multiply these two, are getting a 160. So the sum of the first 4 terms is 160. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please remember to share the video. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.